Welcome to Owen Allen Media. I want you to check out Vybz Kartel live performance in Florida, right? Amerant Bank Arena, and Vybz Kartel has been selling out arenas back to back to back, and Florida is no exception, right? And Vybz Kartel shell down the place, right? So it's a good look for dancehall, it's a good look for Vybz Kartel, and it's a good look for, you know, the culture and everything. So definitely check out Vybz Kartel performance right now.
I see you. Yeah. Yo, man. Put your motherfucking. Everybody, yo, starring everybody. Sing. Hey, I'm a voice of this one.
Little girl, don't give me that. Darius, go to your bed. Come off of my Instagram. Are they where, boss? We'll keep Daddy company. Come wind up on me.
You don't see them breathe? Look! Slow motion. Sweet for you as well the devotion. It's time when you give me spoon no lotion. It's the TV of them up. Call up Bounty Killer son. And I write a song. We are giving the seal of approval. Right now. Major! Yo! Oh, you mean?
Big up yourself, you know.
Do it.
Bless up yourself. Yo, I just want to say, yo.
Yeah.
Like you said. My father I know you from nowhere, and people that know me from nowhere.
Guys, must move forward back.
Give me them big blessings here. God, give me them big blessings here. God,
Yo. It's a tape?
yeah.
Russian and Kartel no real. Amerant Bank Arena. We are here. Where are you? You're late. We are.
This is what we want to see. We want to continue to see Vybz Kartel striving and thriving, right? Where the music, dancehall music is concerned, and taking the music to a different level, and I mean taking the culture to a different level. So when you see Vybz Kartel sell out Barclays Center back to back. When you see Vybz Kartel sell out the Amerant Bank Arena and Vybz Kartel sell out Atlanta and all these places, and then the upcoming show in Trinidad, even though you see Trinidad I try to pull off a stunt on Vybz Kartel and it not gonna work, we're gonna make sure say it don't work. And for me personally, them say okay, him cannot speak to the kids, him cannot do TV interviews and all these other things, and him cannot do meet and greet. And now the defense minister is saying that Vybz Kartel cannot sing certain songs and there would be an age limit, and all of these are the extra additives that they're adding to the list of crackdown and clamp down that they're cracking down on Vybz Kartel movements and all of these other things. It's not a good look. And for me personally, again, what more do they need to do for Vybz Kartel to actually walk away from this performance? Give back the promoter money and say, yo, I am Vybz Kartel. I'm not some regular little artist where you can pull off some stunt. And I am Vybz Kartel. America me live. I may sell out arenas back to back to back. No issues. America no have no issues with me. You know see nobody I try to come in for sabotage my shows or anything like that. No. But what Trinidad want to get political points. Trinidad want to be seen. Right? Nothing not going on Trinidad. Them not have nothing not going on Trinidad. So when them see a man like Vybz Kartel and them try to sabotage Vybz Kartel, what do you think is going to happen? It's going to be this big news and everybody want to talk about it. Everybody want to, have them 2 cents and all of these other things. So that's why them a pull off the style. And also, it's a personal vendetta. You see me? It's a vindictive personal issue that them have with the man himself and nothing else. You get me? Trinidad is the place for soca, where soca, literally, people walk around naked. Naked people walk around visually, where kids can see, where kids and all of these people can see all of these other things. And you tell me, say, them a beat them at up, or age restricted and all. No, I'm telling about no matter Trinidad. You understand me I say? Because Vybz Kartel big up Trinidad all the time, and Vybz Kartel love Trinidad. So we don't really want to get down into it. You see me? So right there, so I'm going to left it. I'm hoping you enjoy the performance. Owen Allen Media, keep you informed.
Everybody have the arms, so we get the